A good sublimation printer is all you need. Bring out your artistic creativity and print high quality, durable images with a great feel that is less likely to fade or peel. It doesn't matter if you are a printing enthusiast, beginner, or small business with constant printing needs in the search for the best printer for dye sublimation. We are here for your assistance with all the information gathered after an extensive evaluation. Think before you choose, the wrong decision can cause some serious suffering. That's why watch this video to know all the right things before you buy. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750 Printer. Fond of printing pictures but tired of ink refilling? Well, you can make Epson your ultimate printing partner, as Epson offers a high-quality printing experience serving various purposes. The latest infused technology provides a killer combination of performance on a budget. Hence an ultimate best dye sublimation printer. Epson Dye Sublimation Printer Series, introducing new features in Epson 2750, cover all related chores with boosted speed. Its super budget-friendly options include cartridge-free printing, in which you get to use ink for up to 2 years without a single refill. The included ink is sufficient to print a minimum of 5,200 color pages with an astonishing speed of 5 ppm. And for black pages, not only does the print speed of 10.5 ppm increase, but the capacity to print also shoots up to 6,500 pages. Not only do you cut down the high cost of ink, but you also get to cut down your paper consumption by 50% with crisp Auto two-sided printing. A maximum print resolution of 5760 x 1440 dpi is big. Yeah, if you wish to fit 100 sublimation sheets in a single go, no problem. Out of many, one of the banging features distinguishing it from the rest of the printers available in the market is its wireless, offering easy connectivity options to various devices. Connected via Wi-Fi direct or USB, but remember that the performance level is subjected to the speed of the internet. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2720 Printer. There is no need to look further for an efficient yet budget-friendly dye sublimation printer, as Epson's innovative technology carries all the features required to print high-resolution images. Replacement is no more hassle with Epson refillable EcoFit ink tanks that run for long periods. Convenient filling gives mileage of 7,500 color and 4,500 black pages. Astonishing print quality combined with vibrant colors and impressive graphics. Epson 2760 heat-free technology ensures crisp, sharp graphics and text with minimum blurring. It is indeed the best sublimation printer for heat transfer, providing quality printing. No matter the paper type, you get to print wherever you want to with no compromise on sharpness. The sleek white design gives a chic look, complementing the space. Various wireless connectivity options without any fuss of cords make it simply the best basic home printer. A broad display with an intuitive control panel provides convenience for multiple operations. But the thing to remember is that unlike another printer of the series, you need to give the proper command to Epson 2720 to print on double sides. Epson Dye Sublimation Printer reviews bring the final verdict that it indeed brings an excellent value for the buyer. Number 3. Canon SELPHY CP1300 Printer. SELPHY CP1300 is a perfect moment maker that helps you to print bright and durable finished photos with a few clicks. It is a wireless printer, making you free from all the unnecessary worries of sorting out cables whenever you clean the room. The best thing is its portability. You can place the printer wherever you feel right and print from wherever you want. Sharp, vibrant images are produced with the help of 300 dpi resolution. You can also customize pictures according to your taste, border or without border, all upon you. The compact design with a light feel makes it the best dye sublimation printer for photo booths. Photo printing is made faster and most manageable with Canon SELPHY CP1300. Print your favorite pictures, Instagram or album-worthy, bright and crisp clear in seconds. For a picture size of 4:6, it will take only 47 seconds, and for a card-size photograph, just 39 seconds. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 e-Printer. HP is a company best known for its durable and versatile electronic products. The phenomenal series of dye sublimation printers by HP is worth the try. HP 8025E is undoubtedly the most trusted and efficient printer, ideal for small offices and houses. Or else you may call it the best dye sublimation printer for home use. It offers high-quality sublimation printing with utmost perfection. The sharpness and precision in sublimation printing by HP 8025E is a sight to see. With HP 8250E, get a hands-on mobile printing experience and enjoy advanced features with a user-friendly interface, whether you need to make brochures, color documents, funky shirt printing, or cool tumbler decor. You will be amazed by the printing speed offered by HP 8250E, 20 black pages in just a single minute, and 10 color pages in a minute. Your all-in-one printing solution is HP 8350E, which also comes with a printing subscription. Now you will never run out of ink and reduce up to 50% consumption. Besides printing, copy scanning, or faxing, do whatever you like with your document. Connectivity issues with errors are not a big deal for HP 8350E, as its automatic self-healing features resolve all connectivity issues in no time. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2760 Printer. You home require a printer, and you are searching for one. Well, we have one fast and affordable option for you, Epson EcoTank ET2760. Replacement is no more a constant worry with Epson refillable EcoFit ink tanks that run for long periods. Convenient filling gives mileage of 7,500 color and 6,000 black pages. Its super budget-friendly options include cartridge-free printing, in which you get to use ink for up to 2 years without a single refill. Not only do you cut down the high cost of ink, but you also get to cut down your paper consumption by 50% with crisp auto two-sided printing. You will be amazed by the print quality, vibrant colors, and impressive graphics. Epson 2760 is a great choice of dye sublimation printer for shirts and the best dye sublimation printer for mugs. Various wireless connectivity options without any fuss of cords make it simply the best basic home printer. Connect it via Wi-Fi or USB, and you are good to go. The double-sided printing option is also a click away. Number 6. Kodak Dock Printer. Print your Instagram feed or any close-to-heart picture and paste it wherever you like with a single click. With Kodak Dock, you can print photos you admire directly from your cell phone, as the offered printing is intelligent and easy. Its rare affordability marks it as the cheapest dye sublimation printer in the market. You will be mesmerized by the detailing and sharpness in the photos. Brilliant quality and stunning details are the core quality of the picture printed from the Kodak Dock. It features thermal transfer technology that won't let color fade. The portable and compact design makes it an ideal pick for offices, schools, and homes. The super-fast charging lasts for long periods and lets you print out the greatest pictures in no time. The application connected to Kodak Printer lets you use additional options such as various filters, templates, SNS prints, and much more. Hence, awarding it as the best dye sublimation printer for photos. Explore the whole new printing options and make the printing process fun and worthy. Just to remind you, it needs a power source to get charged. It is advised to use. Number 7. Epson Workforce WF7720 Printer. Just press print and be ready to experience fantastic print quality. Undoubtedly one of the best performing printers out there is Epson Workforce WF7720. It is one of the economical printers with so many savings on power as compared to other color printers. It is made for heavy usage with a tough build quality and weight. It is ideally the best Epson printer for dye sublimation on a slightly large scale. The printing speed is also moderately fair, with 6 ppm for color printing and 8 ppm for black ink printing. The color accuracy is on point, mainly used for dye sublimation printing. The print quality is fantastic, showing vibrant colors and sharp text. The offered resolution is up to 1200 dpi, which makes it an obvious choice for diverse purposes, especially as a large format dye sublimation printer. It comes with multiple connectivity options such as Wi-Fi direct or USB cable. There is no need to fit in papers and adjust them repeatedly, as automatic feeders do it all. It can accommodate up to 125 sheets in a single go. The double-sided printing option is also a click away. The printer setups as a cakewalk, a complete how-to guide, and videos are available. Remember to use only Epson ink cartridges, as any other brand may not partner well. Number 8. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E Printer. HP OfficeJet Pro series featuring 9025E printer has a lot to offer. Double speed, double efficiency, and even more sharp text and images. All one can wish for. Experience faster color printing and 2 times faster scan, copy and fax. Be ready to get amazed by the printing speed offered by HP 9250E, 24 black pages in just a single minute, and 20 color pages in a minute. That is 2 times more than the 8025E model of HP dye sublimation printer. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for the user to give commands, just like double-sided printing is just a tap away. You can also use it for fabric printing, as an HP dye sublimation printer for fabric will last much longer and won't fade easily. With an automatic document feeder, no need to readjust again and again. Print from internet, mobile or USB as per your convenience. Easy connectivity with self-healing not only detects but readily solves the connectivity issues. The most exciting feature offered by HP 9250E is its ink subscription program, in which you get to have 6 months of entirely free ink usage. The HP sublimation printer offering smart printing is ahead of the printing game.